Converting an image to a PDF in Google Docs is incredibly simple. The best part? You don't need any special tools or downloads, just your browser and a Google account. First, open your browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If not, go ahead and log in or create a new account. Once you're signed in, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Docs to open a blank document. Next, click on Insert in the top menu. Hover over Image and choose Upload from Computer. Select the image you want to convert, whether it's a photo, screenshot, or anything else, and click Open. Once the image is uploaded, click on it to adjust its size and position. If you need more flexibility, select Wrap Text at the bottom of the image. You can even add more photos by repeating the same process. When everything looks good, go to File in the top left corner. Click on Download and select PDF Document. Google Docs will automatically save the file as a PDF to your computer. That's it. In just a few steps, you've turned your image into a PDF using Google Docs. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it and let me know what other tips or tutorials you'd like to see. Happy creating!